Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted software from your Windows in a very simple way. What you need to do is just simply come and search for OOO software. I will give you this link into video description. From there you can search it and going to this website over here. And then you just need to download this, click on the download and you can see the download is started. So and what is this? Because you can see there are lots of app you don't use in your Windows 11, but they are pre-built or pre-installed. So how are you going to remove them? Then you can see the installation is completed. Now I will going to drag it into desktop, going to install it, click yes for the permission, and you can see that searching for apps is running. So you can see there are lots of apps. So how are you going to remove them? Just simply select them. Like I will going to select this Cortana, cross device. Just need to select them like your own choice. Then click remove. I'm going to select computer. App will remove for all users and whole machine. So click yes. And you can see a system reset point is created. And you can see now they are going to installing it or deleting it or removing it. After a short time it will be completed. So this is how you can remove unwanted apps from your Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.